Hello guys, this is MD and you watching ED&FN. In this tutorial video, I gonna show you that how to create user account using CMD. But before, if you are new to this channel, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So not speaking too much, let's get started. First you open CMD, run as an administrator. Type CMD, right click, run as administrator. Now you type net user command. This command used to find out that how many user accounts already exist in your computer system. Now you can see there is only one account here. Now we create a new user account here. Type net space user space /add space xyz. xyz is the name of our user account name here, and then enter. So we can check through this command net user. As you can see here, so the account has been successfully created. Now you can log off your account and cross check it. Press window key plus L. Now you can see your user account name on display. If you want to provide password protection, you can also give it using CMD. Simply type net user space username. In this case our user account name is xyz, and space multiplication sign, and then enter. Put down your password. Again press window key plus L and checked. As you can see here, so now our user account is password protected. So that's all in this video. Thanks for your precious time to watch this video. If you like the video, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with new video. Till then, have a nice day.